Hi, this is Renu. I'm the student of Masters of Data Analytics in EIT, and in our previous video, we just got an idea what aggregation framework pipeline is and how that works. So, just for a quick review, or just to memorize that, aggregation framework, it's a series of document transformation which allows user to construct of the large scale analytical queries on unstructured data, and where output of one command will be the input of another command. So for that, to understand it better, let's take an example. Before that, let's have a better understanding of the operators which we're going to use. Like we have match operator, which is like a where clause of SQL SQL clause, which is used for filtering document. Then we have this project operator, which is used for reshaping or renaming documents, or just to select the documents or the fields which we actually want to see in our results. Then we have this group operator, which is for summarizing documents, which is like the group by of SQL. And then unwind, this is for pivoting the arrays without any repetition of the same element of that particular array. And then we have the short, which is like order by a clause of SQL, and it is used for ascending and descending the documents of the results. And then this limit, it is for paginating the documents. So this limit has kind of cursor behavior, like we have cursors in PLSQL where we can select the top 5 or top 10 rows or results of that particular table. Same its limit, which function the same thing. So we have to understand these operators better, we have this question or scenario which will help us. So in this scenario, you can see that we need to find out the most popular audience in terms of revenue. When we say in terms of revenue through online sales, that means that the average online sales will be like the average online sales of that particular audience type. So any audience type which will have the highest average sale will be the most popular one. And where it's saying that for those audience type, the selling price should be between 5,000 to 20,000. And then we have one more condition which says that only consider publisher who has readership more than 4,500 or more. So to achieve this, um, uh, this is the solution for this, which I already solved. So in this, you can see that we have this, what we have done, we have taken the match first. So using match, what we are doing, we are filtering our document with the specified condition which are given in the particular scenario. Like for the revenue sales, which it says all the revenue sales, that means that should be any revenue sale which is greater than 0. Then selling price between 5,000 to 20,000, and we have used these two keywords here, which is like GTE and LTE. GTE stands for greater than equal to, and LTE stands for less than equal to. And then again, readership, which should be greater than equal to 4,500. So once this match will execute, it will give us the filter documents which are meeting these conditions, and the result which we'll get from match will be the input of this unwind operator. So now whatever results the unwind will get, the input will unwind will get from match, it will unwind those documents according to the audience type. So it will now make the different document. Like suppose if we got from our above results, if we get um, 4 different audience type, or an array of 4 different audience types, so this will create 4 different document, or for that audience type, with all the results which it got from match. So now this will go to the next operator. The output of this unwind operator will be the input of this group by operator. So now this group by, what this group operator will do, it will group by the results which will get from unwind by selling price and audience type, and it will consider the average sale. As we already said that the most popular audience type will be the one which has the highest or which has the highest average sale through online. So this will group by like this group by will group the results using the selling price, audience type, and average sale of revenue. Then we have this short operator. Now the results this group operator will produce, those will be the input for the short operator, and this short operator will show the document in descending order in terms of selling price and average sale of through online sales. So let's run this and let's see what we will get by running this. Oh, sorry, I think we didn't we made some mistake. Hold on, let's see what we did. Oh, this is not the one. Okay. Oh, just 1 second. So here we are. So you can see here, now when we are running this query, it is giving us this result. It's giving us selling price because we grouped all our results by selling price, audience type, and average sale. So now we can see here this audience type, it is getting repeated. Like you can see this adult, then that means it is not giving us the most popular audience type, because there is a repetition in this audience type. So to remove this thing, what we will do, so now we have to go one step forward. So now we'll again apply the group operator after. Now the results which we get from this, the short operator, will be the input of this group operator here, and again we will apply the group by on the same condition. But over here we are using one more keyword which is called first. That means that the first audience type, the first audience type or the audience type, like suppose if we have others audience type, and which has 4 different average sales. So what it will do, it will select the very first one which has the highest average sale, because we already applied the shorting according to the ascending or descending order. So it will, the first one will be the highest one. So what this first will do, it will pick the very first encountered audience type, and then again the very first encountered average sale. And again the results which we'll get from here, we are again going to apply the short you can say short operator again. And now whatever result we'll get from up, we are just arranging them in descending order so that we can get our most popular average, like most popular audience type according to the revenue and selling price. So let's run it again and let's see whether we are getting what we need or not. So here again, it's so now we can see here that once we did that, once we uh, applied the group by and sorting again, the results has been decreased, and you can see here there is no repetition of the same sale type. So you can see here we have the different results, and that is what the aggregation framework can do or can achieve in MongoDB. Thank you so much.